Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Turban Outfitter. It's Manveer again, and we are back for the rest of our DIYs of Christmas. I have to apologize to you guys. I did not keep up to date with my editing schedule. So to keep up to date with everything, I had to basically combine 2 DIYs in one video. So the next 3 videos will cover 6 DIYs. So today we're going to be covering 2 very famous drinks that are drunk in the holidays, hot apple cider and eggnog. I have created a recipe so that you guys can enjoy eggnog, as well as another recipe for a drink that is often alcoholic, but I have made a non-alcoholic version for you, and that is mulled apple cider. And this one is going to be absolutely delicious. No alcohol. So you can serve this at your family events if you do not consume alcohol, or if you're lacto-vegetarian such as me, you can enjoy this eggnog as well. So let's get started. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below to tell me if there are any other variations of these recipes I can make next time. And make sure you guys share these with your friends and families. I know around this time of year, a lot of people feel like they have to miss out on things they used to have back when they had different dietary requirements. Some people are allergic to eggs, or some people just choose not to drink alcohol for whatever reason. So you guys can make these recipes. Make sure you share these with these people. So have a great day and stay tuned for the rest of the videos.